What's up, everybody? Today it is Saturday, July 31st, and as always, I have a few cleanings to do, and I decided to make a video for you guys so you guys can see what's a normal day of work for me. So I'll be showing you guys the place that I will be cleaning, and I guess pretty much everything I'm gonna be doing today. So let's go. This is the place. It's a commercial building, and we just come and do the maintenance cleaning. So let's get inside. Okay, so we got here, and we're just going to do a regular cleaning. It's a little cute shop, I guess. I'll show you guys. It is so cute. My friend sells a lot of things here, and I think it's really cute. I love her chandeliers. It's a really cute place, and I always enjoy coming here and cleaning this place. She sells a lot of cute things. Here she sells earrings. She has a lot of stuff. Anyways, this is the place that we are going to be cleaning today, and we literally just dust as much as we can. We clean those glass doors, dust everything. We mop and vacuum, sweep the floors, and that's it. And then we also have a small bathroom over there, and then a small tiny kitchen that we are going to be wiping down, and that's all. So we are going to do that today, and I hope you guys like this type of videos. Let's start. Okay, so I use a Swiffer duster and then a wet rag to dust. So we are pretty much just dusting. We don't move much of the stuff, but we do just dust as much as we can. She has a lot of tiny things, so we just have to be super careful to not drop anything. And that's it. So Look, you guys, I love her decorations. She has so many things and she sells pretty much everything. How cute is this? I'll show you this little cutie. So cute. It's like a cashier register or something. It's so cute. I don't know what it is, but I thought it was pretty cool. She has so many things that I wish I could take everything, every single piece. I love it. But I love this thing more. It's so cute. And it looks like it's super old. I don't know what it is. A game, I guess? I don't know, but it's cute though. And we just make sure everything is dusted. And this is a monthly cleaning that I do in this shop. So it gets dusty, but not too bad. I love coming all the way over here. It's like, I don't know, 30 minutes away from my house. And my friend, she also sells houses. She's a realtor agent. And I also clean some of her houses when she's selling a house, and then I have time, I help her clean those houses too. So I am going to clean the small bathroom that my friend has on her office, and I'll show you guys. It's the cutest bathroom. I love the style of the bathroom. It's so cute. Her sign. I think I love her sign. It's so cute. Anyways, I'm gonna dust, wash the toilet and the sink, sweep and mop. Okay, so let's do that. that was it. We finished this cleaning and now we are heading to a another commercial cleaning. It's a small business also, so we're heading to that and we should be done for today. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.